Welcome to my channel Majorca Under the Sun, and in this video I'm going to take a look at the top attractions to visit when it's raining. So we get around 300 days of sunshine here on the island every year. But if you are visiting on the rare occasion when it does rain, this is also a great opportunity to go and check out some of the top attractions that we have here. Okay, so I'm up here on the Playa de Palma in between Campastia and Arenal, and there are dark clouds looming behind me and I think it's going to rain. So that's the perfect opportunity to cross the road, and let's go and check out our first attraction. So Palma Aquarium is a great place to visit on a rainy day. There are some fantastic marine life displays inside, and you can also learn more about the environment too. Now, if you are coming here with really small children, the added benefit is that there is an indoor kids play park as well. So make sure you book your ticket before you get here as well, but this is just one of my favourite places to come on a rainy day. You can now also book your ticket to Palma Aquarium on my website, which is majorcaunderthesun.com, and I will receive a really tiny commission from this booking. And it's a great way for you to support my channel and all the videos I make without actually having to pay any more for your ticket. In fact, all the tours and tickets mentioned in this video can be booked on my website. Just visit majorcaunderthesun.com/experiences. So one of the best ways to sightsee around Palma if it is raining is to get a ticket for the Palma City sightseeing bus. Now, departures from this bus stop here down in front of the cathedral are pretty regular during the day, and the bus follows a route following 18 stops throughout the city, giving you the opportunity to take in the major sights and the chance to hop on and hop off the bus as many times as you like. Now, while checking out the cathedral from the outside is absolutely free, if it is raining, it is definitely worth picking up an entry ticket to go and see the inside of this amazing building. Okay, so if you don't get a chance to get a ticket to see inside the cathedral, then pop along for Mass or on one of the days of worship. But I'm just scanning down the board here just to show you the times. Okay, so right next to the cathedral and behind me now is the Almudaina Palace, which you can also get tickets to and explore. Now, if you're looking for other things to do in Palma on a rainy day, then just check out my channel, because I have plenty of other suggestions, such as visiting the markets or touring the art galleries here in the city. So if you're staying in the southwest of Majorca, then head on over to the Hanover Caves, which is just on the outskirts of Palma. Now, this is a fantastic underground cave attraction, and it may not be as big as the caves that you find down on the east coast, but it's still just an absolutely beautiful place to visit, with illuminated caves with stalactites and stalagmites. Now, after visiting the caves, there are lots of restaurants that you can come and try to in Hanover, including this one, which is right next to the caves. On the east coast, in Porto Cristo, there are two main cave attractions. Now, we visited the Hams Caves last summer, and you can see a video all about that on my channel. You can also get tickets for the Caves of Drac, which is the largest cave formation in Majorca. Or you can visit the Campanets Caves in the north, which is easily reached from Alcudia and Porto Pollensa. And if you're staying on the east coast and you are a tennis fan, then grab a ticket to the Sport Experience by Rafa Nadal in Manicure. Check out memorabilia from the island's tennis legend and test your skills on the audiovisual and the interactive displays. Of course, when it rains, the temptation is to hit the nearest bar, but Majorca is world renowned for its amazing vineyards and locally produced wines. So if rainy weather is on the horizon, you can book from a number of tours to either a winery or combine an excursion with tapas and wine tasting. Alternatively, you can escape indoors and book a Spanish cooking experience. Learn how to cook a full menu of Spanish dishes, including paella, and then eat it, and of course take home the recipes. Now, I've just come down the coast here to Magaluf. So if you're visiting during the summer season, which starts around the 1st of April and runs through to the end of October, then there are two really great attractions that you can visit in case the heavens open. Now, just a 5-minute walk from Son Matias Beach in Palmanova and in the heart of Magaluf, the House of Katmandu will be opening its doors again for the first time in 2 years on the 1st of April. Now, this is a fantastic indoor attraction here in Magaluf. There is a virtual roller coaster, a zombie apocalypse and a cowboy shootout to enjoy. And there's also an indoor play park too for little kids. So again, this is a great place to escape the rain just for a couple of hours until you wait for that sun to come out again. So the Pirates Adventure Show is starting again from this April. So if it has been raining down here in Magaluf, then the first show down here starts at 5 p.m. So you can come down here with all the family and get some dinner too. Now, I'm hoping that this video doesn't paint too much of a bad picture of what it's like here in Majorca, because we mainly do have so much lovely sunshine here and it really rarely rains. And if you're visiting us during the summer months, then rain really does tend to be very short-lived and the sun tends to come out a few hours later and you're able to return to the beach. Okay everyone, I hope you found this video useful if you're visiting Majorca in the rain and you're wondering what to do. Don't forget, you can book your tickets on my website, which is majorcaunderthesun.com, and there'll be an article coming out on my website as well, more about activities that you can do when the weather turns bad. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and come and join me over on my Facebook group and my Instagram, also called Majorca Under the Sun. And I look forward to seeing you back in the sunshine on another video. Goodbye for now.